Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum even more interesting than Bitcoin at the moment. So also here on its way in a potential impulse further higher. Here we had also the situation that from the low at $880, Ethereum started to move up in a wave one, came down in a wave two. So far also this move up here is working out. Yeah, we have in yellow. So we have obviously this white wave count, wave one here. Oops, 1 second, just need to move that back. That was the first impulse consisting of 5 waves up. This at the moment seems to have been the white wave 2 consisting of ABC in yellow. Now we are in white wave 3, which should take us to $1,552 in this bullish wave count. Yeah. And we might be here at the moment in yellow wave 3. Within which there might be some subwaves, because if we count it like that, we can count this here as an impulse, so that 1, 2 has been completed, and then we have another subwave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that would have to be then, as per the count, yellow wave 3. The problem is, or let me just check that. I think it would work well with the extensions. Let's check that. Yeah, no, that would work very well as a target for a wave 3, but then we have a problem that the wave 3 in white would still need to be, it's quite a bit of a distance away. So the wave 4, which then obviously came now, and the wave 5 in yellow, the wave 5 would need to be very long. Yeah, so there might be another subset of waves which will have to be coming in to support that, but this is what we can see now: 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and what very well works with that, which confirms this wave count, is actually that we had here a 3-wave move down, ABC. I'll make that yellow again, and this wave 4 then in yellow perfectly adhered again to the and I'll take that out again, to the retracement levels. Yeah, because if we take a look at the Fibonacci retracement tool, calculate the length of that wave 3, and just look at the retracements. I mean, what I always say is, what you would usually expect in a wave 4 is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. It was touched, and a very strong reaction to it. And what you can here see again is already a first impulse again, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and now the 5 probably emerging, taking us into this red target area. So this is getting interesting, yeah. And I think as soon as we get, similar to Bitcoin, a move above the swing high here at 1255, or even better above 1280, because this is sort of the end of the zone, but probably more resistance will be at 1255. There's only a few wicks going up. I believe they might not be that relevant. So it's probably more the $1255 level. If you break above that, and also similar to Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin is currently in a similar situation, and we see a retest from above that could really push prices further up, and there isn't much there. There is not much resistance here on the way. So I believe that the $1,550 level will be quite will be in reach if we really make it above this level. That would also be in line with the white wave count here in of that wave 3, that higher level wave count for an impulse. So this currently gives some hope at least, but the crucial level, as I said, is to break this. So I don't want to hype anything here, but as soon as we break this resistance level, it could really push prices up into this region up here. As I said, there is not much resistance here. What you can see here is, you know, maybe there will be some resistance around that wave 1 low, which pretty much goes well together with a 1.272 extension here at 1,440, but probably more significant will really be the 1.618 extension level, which is generally a target for the wave 3 anyway, and which is also the wave 2 high here. So it remains interesting. I'll keep an eye on it. When will this be over? In my opinion, as soon as we make a lower low. So if we go, and I would say probably it's this one here, that significant wave 4 low. Should we really break down, make a lower low compared to that one below 1180, and then retest it from below as well? I think then we are going down, and then in that scenario, what could be the case is that This here was just an overshooting wave B, even though I have really difficulties to count it like that, because it comes really impulsive, across impulsively, yeah. So, however, this could then be just an A, a B, an overshooting wave B, and the wave C should then come down again into this yellow target area between 940 and 1030. So this is sort of the less bullish count, which just means we have another larger correction before we can move up. And should we really go through this area and then also below 880, then we have to assume that the whole correction obviously wasn't finished yet, and that we will go much, much deeper. Because if this is the case, then this here, that 5-wave move which has come down here in yellow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, was probably only the first wave of a larger 5th wave on the way down here, and then we will really see far lower prices for Ethereum. Currently though, while this is still a risk and we have to have it on the radar, as long as we are going up here at the moment in impulsive waves, we don't, well, I don't have a reason, and I can ask anything, you know, what if, but at the moment, because the targets were reached here on the lower end and we have seen 5-wave moves down, we can obviously follow this impulse now to the upside and look at if critical price levels will get confirmed, and one of these price levels is the 1255 level. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.